Hey y'all, Instinct Survival coming to you again with another Two Tip Tuesday. This time we'll be talking about splitting matches and lighting a candle with just a ferro rod. Oh, how fun is that? Hey guys, so basically what it boils down to is I'm part of a challenge on Spirit of the Woods Facebook group, and 2 parts to their 3-part challenge was splitting matches and using them so that you can light them twice. These are actually from an MRE, and I was actually reading the book, and it says these matches are designed especially for damp climates, but they will not light in wet or after long wind wet or after long exposure several weeks to very damp air. So by the way, I needed a book of matches for this challenge, and my daughter goes, "Oh wait, I got some from the MREs." Okay, thanks. So there's that. What we'll do is we'll reposition the camera to show you these. What we're going to start with, as far as the to-dos, if you will, is lighting the candle with a ferro rod. There's several different ways to do this. One, you can do it with flint and steel, and I've actually shown you how to do that. But with a ferro rod, there's a little bit more resource that's being utilized from the ferro rod itself, but you'll find that it does work well. So you'll see how I do it from that bit. So let's actually reposition the camera, and then we'll go from there. All right, fellas, so first what we're doing is we're just kind of slowly scraping magnesium or the ferrocerium or whatever the metal is, if you will, slowly scraping. And I'm just scraping into this, I think it's a flower pot or something, I don't know, it's some piece of trash I found. And I've adjusted it, lifted up just a little bit so that the wick is touching the magnesium ferrocerium rod dust, if you will. And then let's see, there it goes. Look at that. There you go. all this is the dust that's left, and mixed with some wax that's in there. All right, guys, these are from an MRE kit. That's where I found them. Luckily, my daughter had wanted to try MREs, and she kept the matches out of them. So these matches are designed especially for damp climates. So there's that. So basically, you just find the middle, if you will, and start splitting. I have 0 fingernails, so this is like splitting pine root. And I don't know that it's going to split right. We'll give it a shot. This is the thinner one, so I'm going to try it first. If it doesn't work, then I got to start all over. This is damp, by the way. So here's the one. There we go. I'm pretty confident this one's going to light because it's a little thicker. There you go. There's your 2. I think the wind's fixing to blow it out, so we'll see. I got the lighter ready, but I'm probably not gonna light it back. Anyway, guys, hey, thanks. That's it. That's all there is to it. Wanted to show you those 2 little tips, those things to do, because I was, reinitiated to do them. It's something I learned again years ago. I don't remember who I learned the matches from. I think it was my grandfather, who was in the military, so I'll assume it's a military trick because I think he's the one that taught me that. As far as the ferro rod and candle, I want to say Dan Wowak, but I don't remember. Okay, so just as a by the way, I don't remember. I apologize. Hey, it's not me. It's not something I invented. It's something I saw somebody else do. So there's that. Give him full credit, them full credit, whoever did it. Hey guys, somebody else out there did it before me. Just by the way, there's too many people taking credit for not their stuff. Anyway, long story short, so there is that. We're going to the fall gathering for Georgia Bushcraft this week. Going to be awesome. Hope to see you there. And if not, hey, maybe make it in the spring. That'd be great to see you. Come shake my hand, because well, I'll be moving to Montana after that, and we're still working out details of will I be back or not. As far as the 2 Tip Tuesdays every week, this one will air, then we'll skip a week, and then it'll air again. I don't remember the date, and well, I'm filming on my phone, so I can't exactly tell you. I think it is the, we'll say 7/6. 6 sounds right, based off of some contracts I've got to work on. So anyway, 6 will air the next 2 Tip Tuesday, or that week, whatever that is. So by the way, anyway guys, hey, thanks for all you do. Thanks for your likes, comments, subscribes, and shares. Until then, use your instincts to survive. Hey, thanks for watching. By the way, I'm hoping to post up some other stuff in the meantime. So while there's not a 2 Tip Tuesday, we may have some other things posting. That's the plan. Later, guys.